past couple of days, there's been this stupid video, I guess, going on. Some bitch is eating their own tampon. That's ratchet. That's gross. And my grandma's messaging me. Okay. Anyways, I've been looking on YouTube and I've been seeing all these videos of the reactions, but I really didn't want to watch the video. So now I'm actually going to watch the video, and this is my reaction. So, here it goes. Oh my god. Hey girl. Too passionate doing this because, like, what the hell? They wash their hands on that.
So that is going to be disgusting.
Yes, no, because it's gonna taste like apple pie.
Oh, okay, I have water here, so I drink it. Chase it down.
You're gonna chase that down? That is disgusting. Sorry guys, I turn on the music for my thingy. Can you not be slow? Thanks for stopping.
Here's till I drink it. Chase it down.
Ew, she's holding that. That's just gross.
Oh my god, I can't let me fix this. It has some music.
Ew, she's not gonna do that. You're gonna put on music now? Need a chair, yeah, but sit the fuck down.
Oh my god.
Sniff it! You think it's gonna smell like fucking Daisy?
If anyone says this is fake, then there's honestly something wrong with you.
No, this is fake. There's something wrong with you. Fuck off. No. No. I'm so nervous. No. No. Don't smell it again, retard. Please. Please, no. Please don't do that. Ew, she's sucking on it. Ew, that is so gross. Don't put it back. She's putting it back in her mouth. She's putting it back in her mouth. Ew, she's like sucking that finger. Ew, she's like sucking it dry. It's so gross. I'm not watching anymore, but that's disgusting. Ew. Oh my god. I would no. Ew. What is she doing with her life? Oh my god. Oh, it's so gross. I'm scared for life. Oh my god. Anyways. Well, that's my reaction to like a minute of the video because that's disgusting. If anyone does that, that's gross, okay? You have no brain up there, sweetheart. You're dumb. Ew, that is so gross. Who would ever do? Oh my god. Okay, that girl has problems. Anyways, subscribe and like and yeah, tag me in your reactions to the tampon video and yeah. Bye guys.